Discover tranquility. Embrace nature's bounty. A sanctuary by the sea. Plan your escape today at the Oceanhill Villas. Nestled along the serene shores of Agno in Pangasinan lies a hidden gem awaiting discovery, the Oceanhill Villas. This idyllic retreat offers not just a place to stay, but an experience that rejuvenates the soul and connects you with nature in its purest form. Oceanhill Villas are more than just accommodations. They are sanctuaries designed to blend seamlessly with the natural beauty that surrounds them. Imagine waking up to panoramic views of the sparkling ocean, with the gentle sea breeze carrying the scent of salt and adventure. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo retreat, the Oceanhill Villas cater to every need. A variety of well-appointed villas that offer modern amenities while retaining a rustic charm that perfectly complements the coastal environment. Each villas, featuring its own private pool, kitchen facilities, and breathtaking views, offering an exceptional retreat experience for guests seeking privacy, comfort, and natural beauty. One of the highlights of staying at the Oceanhill Villas is the opportunity to immerse yourself in nature. Spend your days exploring the nearby beaches, where soft sands meet clear waters teeming with marine life. Snorkeling, diving, or simply sunbathing, the choice is yours. Beyond its tranquil shores, the Oceanhills Villas serve as a gateway to adventure. Explore nearby attractions such as 100 Islands National Park, where you can hop from island to island and discover hidden coves and pristine beaches. It's only an hour's drive from the Oceanhill Villas to the renowned 100 Islands National Park. At night, the Oceanhill Villas become even more stunning and luxurious. Is well lit, and the swimming pool features underwater LED lights. The opulent and stunning rooms of the Oceanhill Villas, where luxury meets tranquility. Discover a haven of elegance and comfort, designed to indulge your senses and create unforgettable memories. 1-bedroom private pool ocean view villa. Indulge in the ultimate luxury of the private ocean view room, complete with a personal pool. Experience tranquility and opulence like never before. 2-bedroom ocean view private villa. Escape to paradise in the breathtaking villa overlooking the mesmerizing ocean. With 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a private pool, this villa offers the perfect retreat for relaxation and tranquility, accommodating up to 8 people. 2-bedroom ocean view private pool villa B. Escape to paradise in breathtaking villa overlooking the mesmerizing ocean. With 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a private pool, this villa offers the perfect retreat for relaxation and tranquility, accommodating up to 10 people. 6-bathroom ocean view private pool panoramic villa. The luxurious panoramic ocean view sunset villa with private pool and kitchen. Embark on an unforgettable journey of serenity in their exquisite 5-bedroom villa, nestled amidst breathtaking ocean vistas and lush greenery. With 6 bathrooms and ample space for up to 25 guests, this villa promises unparalleled comfort and relaxation for your dream vacation. Whether you seek a peaceful retreat, an adventure-filled getaway, or simply a place to reconnect with loved ones, the Oceanhill Villas promise an unforgettable experience. Book your stay and discover why this hidden gem on the coast is a destination worth exploring.